this is Zboy Montebon.
Yo guys, this is Zboy Montebon. Up for another video. In today's video, I just experienced one of the most painful things in my life. Getting my tooth out of my mouth. Like literally. I really wanted to go see a dentist about my teeth because when I was on first year college, I guess, there is one time that I eat rice. And then that rice has pebbles. I don't know, I just don't know how to express it. But when you eat rice here in the Philippines, there are some of the rice here in the Philippines that has small rocks. Like, what the fuck? Why is it? So that's it. When I eat that rice, I also eat that small rock, and then that small rock took place on my tooth, and well, what happened is that my tooth broke. Like, bang. Like, it happened. I just left it that way. Like, I told myself that maybe it's okay that my tooth is like that, and I did not really focus on my teeth on that. Then what happened is that I don't really know. I didn't notice that my teeth is starting to, you know, I don't know what the word is that. Maybe the word is rotten. My teeth started to have painful sensations. Like I just cannot express it because it's really painful. Like, half of my face is really painful. Like, it sucks. After a long time of talking to myself, like, I need to see a dentist, I need to get my tooth out of my mouth, like, please, I needed it. So it happened that there is a clinic here in our place, in our a center in our town, which they provide free consultation about your tooth and free services about dental care. So that's it. It really helped me to do it, and yeah, I really did it. I lost my tooth, and I will show you my mouth. So if you have issues about dental, or if you find it disgusting to show you tooths or mouth, you better leave this video. That's it. Here is my my mouth that I had teeth in here. Like that. I don't have teeth in there. It's kind of good. I feel so well right now. But the feelings before, after the operation of that certain tooth getting operation, I would just call that something like that because I don't know what that operation is. Okay guys, so today, good morning. It's the first day that I don't have my teeth here. And so the doctor said I will drink these capsules, which is, I don't know, she just prescribed me this, and my mom told me to drink this, so I'm just gonna drink this for the sake of my teeth, and then for the sake of my gums. Voila, it's done. So today I felt that my hands are numb, and I can't force myself to do anything chores here. That's it. If you are going to a dental clinic and you want to take your tooth out, or you want the dentist to take that shitty that shitty tooth out of your mouth, then you must have your blood pressure check, because that is really important. The dentist told me that one, and that is really important. She said that the blood pressure must be checked. So I checked my blood pressure and she said it was totally fine. But if you have a lower blood pressure, she said that it's not good to get the tooth out, because that will ruin your life, I guess. Or worst case scenario, maybe death. It was amazing though. But after that operation, I felt numb here, and I didn't know that my teeth was so long. Like, it was really, really huge. But it was amazing though that I took my tooth out, and that was great. It was a great feeling. It was so cool. It was a bit painful, but when the tooth is gone, when the tooth was out, it was great. Now I feel amazing right now. I guess that's what's important. It's not all about having fun here. It's also, you have to look on your health for that stuff. And one of my favorite parts of my body is my teeth, so that's why I have to care for it, and you should also, because that is important. So that's it. This is Zboy Montebon signing off for this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, tweet me at Zboy Montebon, and subscribe to my channel down below by clicking the red button, and also click the bell. I mean, I should have said that on first, but maybe next time the video I will tell that on the first stage of the video, so that it will be perfect. But that's it. Bye bye.